When you first attempt to compare two NC files, you will probably get the message that says the compare program is not configured. That's because the editor uses an external compare program, and WinMerge is actually the one that I prefer. You'll just need to download that and install it and make note of where it is installed, and then once you determine where it's installed, grab the path. So there's my WinMerge, and if I just launch it, it has no files. So there's the ability to hand to WinMerge two files in parameters, and we just need to configure that in the editor. So I have two files open for testing, and we'll go to Tools, Options, and we're going to just put the path to WinMerge in there. And here's the two parameters for the files. Now notice there are quotes. If there are spaces in the file paths, you probably will need. So for example, if I take those out, it's probably better to show it. And we'll save all. And then when we try to compare two files, it finds the program, but the parameters are incorrect because it's breaking up. It has the ability to compare more than two. I think this might have actually changed with WinMerge. At any rate, what you need to do is just simply quote these on the outside of the brackets. The brackets will be replaced dynamically with the actual two files that you chose, and so then they'll be enclosed with double quotes. So we'll just save that. So now when we run it, it's able to find the two files, and you can set your defaults up in WinMerge if you like this sidebar, if you like all these settings within WinMerge should persist. It's a very convenient way to compare two files.